Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxy and I am back with another video to teach you how you can make money online using just literally either your computer, your phone, and simple tools. So today we're gonna just jump right in. We're gonna really talk about how you can use ChatGPT and Canva. I feel like I see this all the time on TikTok, Instagram, everyone's saying you can create a digital product just by using Canva and ChatGPT. So I'm going to show you how to make an ebook. And I'm also going to be putting this ebook in my link in bio, and I will also provide it for you guys down below. If this is your first time seeing my page, my name is Roxy. I'm really focused on creating digital products and starting an online business, especially for us busy people. For us people that are like, especially for us that are like in our 30s, late 30s and 40s, 50s and up, like everyone and anyone can do this. We are all on our phone. We all have a computer, at least most of us do, and we have some type of internet connection. And if you have that ability to have these tools, a phone, internet, computer, you can make tons of money online. You just need to learn. Put yourself out there and learn. And I'm really hoping my page really brings in a sense of ease, because these are things that I have tried. These are things that I have made money off of, and my responsibility at this moment is to guide you and to help you. And even this journey that I'm on right now with YouTube is, of course, to get monetized. So if this is your first time seeing my page, this is a brand new page that I started, and I'm hoping to get monetized by the end of December. That is literally my goal. That is my goal. So if you can help me out, definitely subscribe, leave a comment below, and as well hit the like button, but subscribe to the channel. I would love for you to be a part of my Radiate community, and let's thrive. And honestly, don't ever let your age stop you from making money online. I'm really hoping that this video right here will kind of break down all of the things that you need to use ChatGPT and Canva to create a digital product. And then of course the things that I've already talked about before, how you can link it in your store in bio, and I can make another video for that as well. But let's get into how we can use ChatGPT and Canva to make an ebook. So before starting off, always remember that you need to figure out what your niche is. And really, when it comes down to your niche, don't think too hard about this. I feel like I did that in the beginning. It really is just a problem that you're solving. And trust me, there is somebody or a lot of people that are looking for this product. Later on, we can jump into another video of how to pick your niche, what does that look like, and how you can use ChatGPT to help you. If you guys do want a tutorial on how to use ChatGPT, certain prompts, please leave some comments down below. But without further ado, guys, I've pretty much put in my prompt right here. I've used another digital product as an example, but you actually don't have to. You can just literally create a prompt, just talk to ChatGPT by using your voice. And so ChatGPT pretty much wrote all this up for me. And now we're going to take all this and create a digital product. This is a really simple ebook that you can use as a lead magnet. All lead magnet really is something to capture your audience, give them something for free to show the value that you have, and they'll be able to take this, learn from it, and then at the same time, you've captured their email and you can continue with email marketing. But email marketing is something we'll get into later on in the future. I just want to keep this as simple as possible as to how you can create a digital product by using ChatGPT as your personal assistant. If I haven't already explained ChatGPT to you, I'll link it down below. Just create an account. I would suggest that you create an account with a brand new email. Use the free version. That's exactly what I'm using here. And then, so it's pretty much giving me the vision research, day 1 to day 3. Week 2 looks good too here, week 3, and then week 4, right? And then a little bit of bonus tips. So now let me show you how you would plug this into a digital product. Whenever I use my digital products, I always like to start with templates that are already there, especially as a complete beginner. These are digital products that I already have. So let me go here, just like create a design, and then you would put here like an ebook cover, and then it's going to give you a brand new one. One of the best things that you can do is with Canva is it actually gives you all of this that you can already use. And the best part is you can pretty much pick from any one. And then what we're going to be doing is customizing it. We're going to customize all this, and it's such an easy way for you to do this. Let me see if I can find one. Here you go. So here's one where you could literally use these as a template. So I like to use something like this because when you're creating an ebook, you want to keep it very simple, easy to read, easy to digest. And we're not going to be using any of this information. We're actually going to change all this with this one because you can't use other people's product, but you can literally use it as a foundation and then literally change it completely to your own. And that's what I do because I am not so creative. So we're going to pretty much change all of the pictures and everything here. So I want to kind of it simple, maybe leave these, but duplicate this. And then I like to just go weak. It doesn't have to be anything crazy when you're first starting off your duplicate. And this is like the easy way. I know a lot of people like to teach it another way, but as a complete beginner, these are the things I wish someone would have just shown me instead of telling me to make it more complicated than it needs to be. Okay, duplicate. Now we have like only 4 weeks, so I might change some of these. Take this, delete this. I'm gonna definitely change this. I might even like, do I have this duplicated? So I'm gonna duplicate this so I have the graphics and then get rid of maybe this part here. So I only have 4 weeks and this is literally a lead magnet. So it doesn't have to be crazy, or you can actually make it just like 3 pages if you want. So I can make this week 1 and it doesn't, this is literally how easy it is. And I might just keep these ones, right? I just really hope this is useful. And you pretty much will plug into what ChatGPT has given you. Copy, duplicate this, paste, make this a little smaller, right? You just want it easy and digestible for people to read because the worst thing is to be able to try something and like not understand it and be confused. And maybe I'll ask it to make it a little bit more defined. So let me go here to ChatGPT and say detail in each under bullet points actions that they can take. This is why it's so important to get familiar with ChatGPT because it will literally save you time, energy, help with your creativity, and you can literally create an amazing digital product really quickly. Because a lot of us, like me personally, I know how to do all of this, but if someone asks me, can you type it up? I'm going to be like, no, I can't. Because it takes too much energy and time, and I'm going to want to perfect it. And so ChatGPT is like your personal assistant that will help you. So find your business niche, and then here's some action steps. So we're going to just include this right underneath because you want to try to provide as much value to people as well. Like, all right, so I would pretty much do the same thing here. So I'm just going to speed it up and let you guys watch. And if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Let me show you a hack when it comes to Canva. And I'm going to put in a Canva ebook that would definitely help if you literally don't know how to use Canva. I've linked the ebook down below and it'll literally guide you on how to use it. So as you can see, I literally just copied everything. I grouped it and then now I'm going to, I don't need to ungroup it, but now I can like simply make this week 2, right? And maybe move these guys a little bit aside. And I have the layout already as is. So I would just go on to the next step. So now we have research day 1 to 3, which I forgot to include. Let me show you this. All right, so here I forgot to put this part. Day 1 to find your business niche, which is so important. It took me a while to figure this part out. I can't even lie. The one thing that you don't want to do when you start this, give up too early because eventually you'll figure out everything will start to make sense after a little bit of time. Some people get it right away, others don't, but that's okay. Okay, I'm going to put this right underneath it. And I think this looks really nice. And I can change this color if I want, but I think I'm just going to keep it really simple. Try to line these guys up. And now I'm just going to make this, do this pretty fast. Or I can literally just like, sometimes like this is like the perfectionist in me. I want everything to turn out perfect, which I'm literally working on to change that. So just copy and paste it. All right, so I'm going to just do this really fast and then I'll show you guys the final outcome. And this will actually help you. So stay tuned because at the end, I'm actually just going to make it available for all of you guys to use. And that was helpful. I did fast forward a few bits, but if you guys want me to bring this up again or put them in shorts, or just whatever section that you feel like maybe you're still struggling with, leave some comments down below. I would love to create a video for that comment or comments. What are you struggling with? Do you just want more information about digital products? Do you want more information about making money online, how people monetize online? So leave your comments down below. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if you have a phone, if you have internet, a computer, you are already ahead of the game, and all you need to do is to use these tools to make money online. You can do it as an affiliate marketer. I did that in my last video. If you didn't see how to make money online for $0, I want you to go check that out. I'm going to link that one next. But again, my goal is to hit 1,000 followers. I would appreciate it if you could subscribe, leave some comments, a like, and if this was helpful, please let me know. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.